Hi everyone, my name is Chase DeHan, and welcome to my course, Creating Special Purpose Plots, R Playbook. I'm currently the Manager of Data Science at Tesorio and hold a PhD in Economics from the University of Utah. In this course, we are going to cover some of why R is the most amazing language to know for creating visualizations. There are numerous libraries to create nearly any visualization you could want. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include creating interactive maps with the leaflet package, generating correlograms with the correlogram package, creating 3D scatter plots with two packages of Lattice and the Scatter 3D library. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create some unique plots using 4 different libraries. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the R language and have experience creating basic visualizations. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to create some amazing visualizations with the Creating Special Purpose Plots R Playbook course at Pluralsight.